Hello viewers, G4 Guitar for You channel welcome you all to our new video. In today's video we are going to learn 5 open string exercises. This video is completely for beginners in guitar. In this video we will teach you about how to play on open strings and name of the open strings. Before going to start today's class, you must watch the videos listed in screen. The link of the videos available in description. Let's start today's class. In today's video we are going to learn 5 open string exercises. Before going to play, you must tune your guitar and you must hold your striker properly. You must hold like this and catch like this. Okay? Before starting the exercises, you need to understand the name of the strings. We have already uploaded video about parts of the strings and name of the strings. Please do watch that video. Name of the strings are: first string is E, second string is B, third string is G, fourth is D, fifth A, and sixth is E. Okay? E, B, G, D, A, E. In reverse, E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay? Let's move to first exercise. In this exercise, you have to play downward stroke on all strings of guitar from bottom to top and top to bottom. This is called downward stroke. This is called downward stroke and this is called upward stroke. This is downwards, this is upward. In first exercise, you need to play all the strings downwards. Okay? From bottom to top and top to bottom, you need to play. Very slowly you do. My good suggestion is put your small finger on the body of the guitar so that your hands will not shake. Okay? Because you are a beginner in guitar, somehow your hands will shake. For that you need to put your small finger on the body of guitar and play. And also while you are playing on strings, you need to remember the name of the strings like this: E, B, G, D, A, E. E, A, D, G, B, E. While playing, make sure that you not touching other strings. Okay? While playing, you must not touch the other strings. Only the playing strings you need to touch. Okay? E, B, G, D, A, E. And reverse: E, A, D, G, B, E. And our next exercise is you need to play all the strings from bottom to top and top to bottom, downwards and upwards. Okay? Like this. Downwards and upwards. We will play like this: E, E, B, B, G, G, D, D, A, E, E. E, E, A, D, D, G, G, B, B, E, E. Once more: E, E, B, B, G G, D D, A E E, E E, A D D, G G, B B, E E. You need to play downwards and also upwards. Okay, very slowly you do. Let's move to our third exercise. In this exercise, you need to strike alternative strings. You need to strike all the strings but alternatively. Like 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6. And vice versa. 6, 4, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1. Let's play like this. Once more. In third exercise, you need to play downwards only. Okay. While playing on the strings alternatively, you need to remember the name of the string. Maybe it is slightly difficult for you, but still you can do. E, G, B, D, G, A, D, E, E, D, A, G, D, B, G, E. Okay. Let's move to our fourth exercise. In this exercise, you need to play all alternative strings, both downwards and upwards. You need to play from bottom to top and top to bottom. Okay, like this. E E G G, B B D D, G G A D D E E, E E D D A G G D D B B G G E E. Once more. E E G G B B D D G G A D D E E, E E D D A G G D D B B G G E E. Very carefully you do this, very slowly you do this, and also make sure you are not touching other strings. Okay, let's move to our fifth exercise. In this exercise, you need to play very fast, both downwards and upwards in all strings. Before playing that, you need to turn your striker like this. Okay, you need to turn your striker little like this, and you need to play like this. You have to play. You need to play very fast on all the strings, both downwards and upwards. Okay. These are the 5 exercises. Our first exercise is E, B, G, D, A, E, E, A, D, G, B, E. Our second exercise is E, E, B, B, G, G, D, D, A, E, 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 A, D, D, G, G, B, B, E, E. Our third exercise is E, G, B, D, G, A, D, E, E, C, D, A, G, D, B, G, E. Our fourth exercise is E, E, G, G, B, B, D, D, G, G, A, D, D, E, 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 D, D, A, G, G, D, D, B, B, G, G, E, E. And our last exercise is okay. This video is completely for beginners. You have to do very slowly and make sure while playing on the strings you must not touch other strings. Okay. I hope you all understood about open string exercise. If you like this video, click like, share, subscribe. Also click bell icon, and along with that click all for all the notification of our videos. Thanks for watching our video.